Hi guys, today I'm going to show you these awesome Mancra solar fence lights, but they are not only working as fence lights, they are absolutely amazing because they are waterproof IP55 made of high quality durable ABS material. Come with very efficient 21% conversion rate solar panels and large built-in 300 milliamps batteries with built-in strong 3000 Kelvin warm light LEDs. They can also perfectly work on steps, fences, walls and deck railings. For installation you can use screws, but you can also use the double-sided tape for easy installation within 1 minute. And it's a large 16 pack, even though this package looks very small. You can see the double-sided tape which we get, instructions manual. We get screws, but you don't have to use them. And so here we have these absolutely awesome, beautiful lights. Watch how nicely they are made. Really beautiful. And they have already installed the battery. So we have to just pull this security strap out and they start. Also helpful to remove the protection here on the solar panel itself, and so they are charging automatically throughout the day whenever there's sun shining on this solar panel. And during the night I hold my hand here on top, can see, then it starts illuminating really nicely the area. Absolutely awesome. The screws, if you want, come from the top. On the side we have already these holes here, or again just use one of these double-sided stickers, put them underneath, go where you want, and then remove easily the insulation tape, stick it where you want it, and it will stay there as long as you like. And so I have it installed already on my fence, and so they have been charging during the day, and now they are illuminating this area. Very beautiful from dawn to dusk. Absolutely awesome. I don't have anything to do with them. It's fully automatic, no maintenance needed. So they can last for very long time. This is absolutely amazing. Everybody really loves that, how it looks. So it's absolutely amazing. So full recommendation from my side. So you can buy them directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.